updating your email address on Tidal is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Tidal website or open the Tidal app. Enter your current login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is typically found in the profile or menu section, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select email address option. In the account settings, look for the option to update your email address. This may be labeled as email, account information, or something similar. Step 4. Enter new email address. Input your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm the changes and ensure your new email is registered. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages from Tidal. Keeping your account information up to date helps maintain your access and security.